Well, Brent and I didn't meet like everybody else normally does. We actually met on Tinder. Yep. So what, you swipe right if you like them? So I thought he was cute and I was like, well, he's not like weird looking. His profile seems pretty normal, so.
The first day I met Becca was officially, I guess, was 11, 15, 14. We met through Tinder. You guys, I'm sure, know that by now.
Oh, yeah.
We ended up talking for a few days, just texting, and he told me, he's like, well, here's my Facebook. Like, you can see that I'm a real person. I'm not some weirdo. And so we checked each other's Facebook out and stuff like that. And then we decided, yeah, let's go on a date.
Bar Louie in Newport, and then we went to the Funny Bone down in Newport as well. Went out and had a good time.
And Brent ordered 2 drinks, and I thought that he thought the date was going miserable because he ordered 2 drinks right off the bat. And but no, it was a good date. And then after we had dinner at Bar Louie, we went to the comedy club.
Yeah, I basically told her, like, well, if you had a good time, you let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you later. It's basically a blind date. It's pretty much what Tinder is like.
That night when I got home, I was like, I liked that guy. So I texted him that night and I was like, hey, I had a good time. I do want to hang out again. So, and that's how that went.
Hey. Wow. You look beautiful. Good. My heart's pounding out of my chest.
Mine is too.
I was looking over there. That's where we got engaged.
I know.
It's crazy. I like your dress.
You look so good.
Yeah, nice. It's a little rough getting it together.
Yeah.
Gosh. Yeah. Too.
Clean them nice.
Thanks. So do you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Do you know why Becca went on a second date with Brent?
Because he had a truck. I think it was you I might have texted, yeah. I was like, he has a truck, so it's good.
Now, when I asked Brent what were his thoughts the first time he saw Becca, he told me that he was attracted to her. Okay, it was her smile that brought his attention. And then, of course, Becca, when she first saw Brent, her reaction was,
Hi, Becca.
Take you, Brent.
Take you, Brent.
For my lawful husband.
For my lawful husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us part. After I knew I had it in the bag, I traded in my truck.
We've been together a little over 3 years now, and here we are today getting married. It's crazy to think that it's here. We actually got engaged a year ago to the date, so the rest is history.
And I just wanted to welcome everyone this evening, family and friends, and welcome you on behalf of myself, my wife Cheryl, and John and Marilyn Archibald, in the celebration of the marriage of Brent and Becca and the joining of the Archibald families.
We've got forever in each other's arms. It's so clear, you right here. Whoa, we go out together.
Thank you for being such a stable force in my life. A great friend and even better brother. Becca, I think we can all agree that you are stunning this evening. And Brent, you won the lottery. You know what I mean? After seeing you guys over the last few years, I really understand why Brent and Becca work so well together. It is because Brent appreciates perfection.
As I continued to grow up with my sister by my side, I realized that it wasn't just the cool things that I had admired about her. It was also her caring personality and warm heart that I could only be so lucky to successfully imitate. As I fast forward to today, I'm so incredibly happy that she has found a man with these same great qualities and the willingness to protect her.